that's going to be an issue. All right, so let's do example number 2. So example number 2, we're going to do a triangle. Now, it doesn't matter how you draw your triangle, just draw a triangle. And let's label some of these. So we'll call this angle of measurement here, let's just call this one alpha. And remember that this is alpha. It's just like the letter, our lowercase a is based on this Greek letter alpha, okay? And then we'll call this one beta. And so beta looks kind of like RB, except you got a little bit of a tail here, and it's supposed to be on an angle, but it's hard to write the angle on the tablet. So this is beta. And then lastly, we're going to say gamma. Yeah, I think they do a gamma. That kind of looks like a vertical thing on it. It's gamma. Oh, shoot, I screwed that up, didn't I? So that's gamma. Okay. Now, what do we know about the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? Do you guys remember that? In other words, what does alpha plus beta plus gamma equal?
Was it me?
Yep, 180 degrees. Is that for any triangle? Absolutely. Any triangle. No matter what the triangle is, that's what it is. Okay? So let's draw a different triangle. We'll do a blue triangle. So we'll draw a different triangle. Well, that's not blue. There we go. And I want this to be transparent. I chose the wrong thing. So now I'm going to put some stuff in here, and we're going to solve for something. So we'll call this one alpha, and this angle will be 32 degrees, and this one will be 68 degrees. What's alpha? How do we figure that out? Well, we would say alpha plus 32 degrees plus 68 degrees is equal to what? 180 degrees. So then we combine like terms, right? What's 32 plus 68? Use my brain. Is it 100? Somebody double check on a calculator real quick. I think it's 100. It's 100? Okay, cool. Phew, still got it. That's funny. Oh, this thing is so sensitive. So alpha equals that. What's the next thing I need to do? Subtract 100 from both sides? And I get alpha is equal to what? 80 degrees. Okay? And that's about all the